Powell recognizes that we've got all sorts of inflation, although he also knows that commodity inflation has already been tamped down by his recent pivot. Lots of major commodities have already come down substantially from their highs. Think oil, copper, steel, just based on recent remarks. His words were his deeds. Now, just like the reporters who try to trip Jay up, there are traders who got tripped up by his common sense approach. I'll give you a couple examples. First, the bank stocks turned down today because going into today, some traders believed that the Fed would screw it up, tighten rapidly. Remember, the banks make more money when short-term rates go higher. I guess they thought Powell was Bozo the Clown. He outwitted these people when he brushed his teeth and buttoned his shirt this morning. There were others who kept selling the best growth stocks right into the release of Powell's statement. I want you to think of companies like AMD, Salesforce, Apple, amazingly profitable, because they expected total carnage in these names. Again, it's like they never paid attention to a single word this man has said. So what happens now? There are a couple of ways to go. First, we could be looking at the beginning of the long-awaited Santa Claus rally that I keep talking about. You can't rule it out, given there's nothing on the calendar that could derail the market between now and the end of the year. I mean, historically, this is it. Historically, the Santa rally doesn't usually come until a few days later, but it wouldn't shock me if it already started. You know, Larry Williams, the legendary stock market historian, and I are banking on this one, so instead of this... all aboard! Second, some investors might not realize that we aren't going back to where we were before Powell's pivot. Don't go back to some of those stocks. While Jay's not explicitly trying to annihilate the cloud-based software as a database stocks with huge addressable markets powered by land and expand strategies, in other words, the money losers that trade on sales, not earnings, his pivot was the sign to lighten up on the whole group, okay, the whole group. Powell did not say you should dump your Robinhood. He did not say you should dump your AMC. He did not say you should sell your GameStop. He did not do those things. But they simply don't work in an environment where the Fed is no longer your friend.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.